And just on the edge of Dunhill Village, which is about 4 miles away from Fenner, or 6 kilometres, you have the Anne Valley Walk, which we're at the Dunhill end, and it takes us all the way to Annestown, which we visited 7 months ago, if you remember, in part 4 of the Copper Coast vlog. And this is indeed a pleasant walk itself. You see plenty of wildlife. It was only completed a few years ago, and it's well worth a visit. It's so lovely on a day like this, on an evening like this, with the golden light shining onto the water on both sides. Even though it says no fishing, there is a temptation, but it's only the herons which get away with it for some strange reason. We're in Dunhill Village itself now, and it does have some quite quaint houses. If you can see the thatch roof on it. It's not the only one in the village, there's a few others. Here's the other one, which I've spotted in the village, and just to the right, you have Harney's Bar, because here, about 5 years ago, I shot a photo of Uncle Joe, Winnie the dog, and a pint of Guinness, which did very well in a competition. And you'll be able to see that in one of my portrait albums on my Rue Photography Facebook page. If you plan on trekking down Anne Valley Walk, halfway down it, you will come across this. We're going up to it now. Through the trees, if you can see it, it's Dunhill Castle in ruins. And you can actually see that all the way from Annestown, which is the finishing point of the Anne Valley Walk. We're going up to it now. Hopefully we can get to it. I've never actually been up to it before, but I've driven past it quite a few times. So we shall see. Yes, it looks possible if you can contend with these steps. Not for the faint-hearted, or either that I'm just a lazy git. But oh, it looks like we have it there. Look at that, basking in the evening golden light. I'm puffed out after that. Oh. The climb isn't quite finished yet. A few more steps to the summit of the castle. Look at the view, and look at the sunset. Don't think I want to do Everest Space Camp in a hurry if it's going to be like this. Here we go. Wow, look at that. We'll just go around it. And inside it. Oh, this is cool. The view to the outside world through here. Now, here's the view from the top of the castle. Well, not quite the top, but as far as I dare to go. And you can see the Anne Valley Walk going all the way. You can see the sea in the background in the far distance, and that's where Annestown is. Oh, and there's more. There's even more steps. See where these goes to. That's where I was a moment ago. And see where these steps go. Go all the way up there. I'm not going to risk going up there. Not going to risk that, not with the gear I have at the moment.